Let's look at the te. It goes this way. Remember, it's from here. Okay, te. It means now, at the moment, 现在. Okay. In the beginning, tere, te, and re. Okay. This is a Mongolian language. Okay, we put a dot here as a Manchu. Okay, tre, naga, that one. Okay, or this one. Also refers to ta, to she and he. It's all ta in Chinese. Okay, ta. Tere. In the middle, let's see. In the middle, buten. Okay, bu bu, and te, and this is n, buten. Okay, it's the edge. 边儿还有那个牙. Okay, so the border places. Okay, bordering places, and in the end is nukten. Okay, let's see. Nu. Okay, nu, and k. With the two dots, k. In Mongolian language, you can omit the dots. Okay, for the Manchu, you have to put it there. Okay, and te, we put a te here at the end. Okay, this is a te. So this tells you it's a sound. Okay, and the no dot is t. Okay, this is a pasture, 牧区, the grazing lands for animals. Let's look at the de. You just repeat the te. Okay, it goes this way, but you need a dot here, so it's a d. So this tells you it's a d sound, and this part tells you it's a sound. Okay, all right. De by itself, it means a preposition word in at. Okay, any preposition word you can think of. At the beginning, it's do. This is a de, and you put all here. Do is a Mongolian language. Du. Okay, so younger brother, or sister in Mongolian language, but in Manchu is just the younger brother. Let's see, at the beginning, this is at the beginning. In the middle, let's see, den de me. So den, this is a den. Okay, this is a de, and this tooth is the n part. Den de me, sorry, den de me. Den de. This is de in the middle, and the den de mu bi is to divide, to split something. De in the end, there are many de in the end. We learned before, like baba de, every place, baba de. Okay, 还有什么? And yesterday we also learned I be de where, right? I be de. Okay, it's where. Baba de is everywhere. Okay, like an dan de. Oh, there are too many of them. Okay, an and de an dan. You see, this is a de an dan, and this is a de in the end. Okay.